Hi everyone, this is Art creating video for E47, lab number 3, the person timer. If you've seen a speech contest before, you might notice that sometimes there's a person who holds up green, yellow, and red card to let the speaker know how much time there's left. That's the basic function of this device. So if I press to start, set a time, normally this would be in minutes, but I would make it in 2 seconds so that this video is not too long. So let's say 15. It says okay, press to start. So when there's 10 minutes left, this green LED would light up, this yellow would light up at 5, and this red at 1. So if for some reason I run over time, the LEDs would blink, and this clock would show how much time I've gone over. When I'm done, I can swipe. It says, okay, done, congratulations. Now, if you're a TA or if you're presenting something long, you might want to divide your time into different segments, and you can do that with this. So let's say I want my first segment to be 20 minutes long, and my second segment to be 15 minutes long. When I'm done, I could set my last segment to be 0 minutes so that it knows that I only want 2. So setup's done, press to start. The left clock shows how much time there's left in this segment. The right clock shows how much time there's left overall. Right, so the green, yellow, and red LEDs would light up. Same thing. If I've gone over time in this segment, only the red LED would light up. And then when I'm done with this segment, I can just swipe over and it says, okay, now you're in segment 2. And it shows the time left. When I'm done, I can swipe. It says, okay, done. One feature that I add to this device is that sometimes you might go over time in some segments and you might finish early in some segments. This device would automatically adjust the time in the segments that are left proportionally to the time that you've used. So to be more precise, let's say that I want my first segment to be, let's say 30 minutes, my second segment to be 20, and my third to be also 20. So if I finish the first segment early, this device would allocate the time left to the second and third segments equally, because I initially first said that I want them to be of equal length. So setup's done, press start. So let's say that I'm done really early. I have 1 minute left when I'm done with section 1. So then it's gonna make each of the second and third segments into 30 seconds each. Right, so if I'm done with the second segment early too, then all the time left is going to be allocated to the third segment. Right, so I'm done. I can swipe. It says okay, done. So the components of this device, there's the potentiometer that controls the contrast of the LCD, which is the speaker. This potentiometer controls the volume of the speaker. This could easily be a switch, but I don't have it right now. That would be nicer, I guess, to have a mute button. There's this IR sensor that sends a swipe button, and encoder to control the time, as you've seen. There's also these LEDs. Alright, so that's it. Thank you.